Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to manage clips with multiple audio tracks in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is to import a footage in Filmora that has multiple audio tracks. Then you have to right-click the footage in Media Library and select the first audio track. Then we will place the clip into the timeline. Once the clip is in timeline, you have to right-click on the footage, go to Audio and select Attach Audio. After this we have to right-click the footage in Media Library once again, and this time we will select Track 2. Then we will bring this footage to the timeline and attach the audio once again. Now as we can see, both the tracks are separated, and you are free to work with it as you like. The first audio track in my timeline is of the game audio, and the second clip is of random fan noises. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, consider subscribing the channel. Thanks.